Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to the foothills of Ahwatukee. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We're at 419 West Mountain Sage Drive in Phoenix, Arizona.
All right, Kevin, I'm active, I love views. Why is this such a perfect home?
It is very close to walking trails.
Perfect. So before heading inside, let's go take a look. All right, Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at Telegraph Pass Trail, which is a moderate hiking trail in South Phoenix.
Great. Now, as far as the actual trail itself, why is it so special and how long is it?
This particular one is a moderate hiking trail. It's 2.2 miles long, and it's dog friendly as well.
Great. That's a big question that we always get is, can we bring our pets? And one of the nice parts too is it's actually, they have the concrete already laid out for the walking.
They do.
Which is kind of cool, so you don't have to worry about the dirt.
Right.
All right, Kevin, so this is part of a larger preserve.
It is. This is part of South Mountain Preserve, which was founded in 1924. It is 16,253 acres, which is 25 and a half square miles.
So 253, not 254?
Absolutely. We cannot have one extra acre in this. Yeah.
So there's a lot of cool history. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Okay, so this is the largest municipal park in the U.S. As well as being founded in 1924, the history on it's really cool. President Calvin Coolidge actually handled the initial sale of it to the city of Phoenix. 13,000 of the acres for $17,000.
Wow, $17,000. What a cool history. Now, as far as the actual preserve itself, how far away is it from the actual house?
This is maybe a half mile from the home. It's really close. You can either park here, there's plenty of parking, or you can just walk it.
Great. And then last but not least, if I'm huge on hiking or just staying active, is there any other trails or anything like that around?
Yeah, there's plenty, but the biggest one I like is probably Pyramid. That one is 1.8 miles from the house. It's another moderate trail. It's dog friendly, and it's 6.2 miles long.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for the trails in the preserve. Let's head to the house. We are finally in the inside. Kevin, let's talk specs.
This is 1,603 square feet, two-story home with a two-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and it even has a loft.
Nice. Now, as far as this beautiful kitchen goes, what are some of the updates?
It has the granite countertops. It has the upgraded cabinets from standard, so it has some maple cabinets. All the appliances stay, has the pantry in the corner as well.
Great. One of the nice parts about this kitchen is not only is there extra cabinet space, but there's also a perfect buffet counter, just in case you have friends and family over. All right, before heading upstairs, we want to share with you a couple of cool little things about the property. Kevin?
Well, you are the open floor plan, so you got the kitchen overlooking the great room. You have a half bath down here for guests, and you have a lot of storage. You have not only the linen closet, but inside the half bath is storage that goes underneath the staircase.
Great. And for those of you that have watched the movie, it's your Harry Potter room.
Yep.
Welcome to the upstairs. We are now inside the loft itself. Kevin, how is the upstairs actually situated?
It is situated like a true split floor plan. So you have the master bedroom behind you. We're staying in the loft. Then you have a secondary bathroom, an upstairs laundry room, and 2 more bedrooms.
Great. And then last but not least, the views out of the master, amazing.
Yeah, it's really cool. This home actually backs a nature preserve, so you're never going to have a neighbor behind you.
Great. All right, Kevin, last but not least, let's talk about shopping.
Okay, so we are maybe a mile or 2 from the Safeway. There's a Filiberto's there, as well as a Biscuits Cafe.
Great, so close to the grocery shopping. And then I heard there was a new highway that was just built.
There is. We're 1 mile off the 202, and what's cool about that is now you can work East Valley or West Valley. You're like 20 minutes from both of them.
Loops all the way around. And then if somebody wants to set up a showing on this beautiful home, what should they do?
It's very simple. They can go to our website, gosoldrealty.com, or call us at 480-305-6655.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.